Hey guys, so this video, I just kind of want to show you the difference between having a classwork page and not having a classwork page. Google Classroom allows you two different kind of setups for your classroom. So we're using the classroom that I created in the last video. So I've got my Yandel's First Grade Superstars. All new Google Classrooms will be created with this classwork page. So I want to start there first. When you click on classwork, this is where you go to add your assignments. In the next video, I will talk about the different types of assignments, but this is where you go to create them. You'll notice that down here at the bottom, you have the option for topic. What the topics do in Google Classroom is it allows you to file your assignments. So I've made a topic for reading and I've made a topic for math. So when I go to create my assignments, I can put those activities and filter them under whichever topic the assignment goes with. So my ABC booklet was a reading assignment, so I have that under my reading topic. How can you use math outside of school? That one would go with the math topic. This really just kind of cleans it up for the students and it just organizes the assignments for them. I'm going to add another assignment right here. So I'm just going to call this my reading test. And I'm going to assign it right here under my reading topic. And I'm just going to click assign. Okay, so now I have two assignments under reading. If I want this one to be the first assignment that my students see, if you click on these three dots, then you can move up the assignment. So within your topics, you can still organize how you want your students to see the assignments that are posted. If you click on the stream, this is like your home page. This is what the students see whenever they go to the Google Classroom. You'll notice that the topics are not here. They just see the assignments that have been posted, but they are not organized. So if you use the classwork page, you would want to make sure that your students, if they need some of that more like kind of organized layout, because this can get really busy very quickly because every time you add an assignment, it's just going to keep adding. Just always direct your students to the classwork page and then tell them which topic to look under for that assignment. You could name your topics. You could do a topic by the week, and then all the assignments within that week could be filtered there, however you want to set it up. The other way to set up your classroom is removing this classwork page. So if you want to get rid of this page, if you click here, there's a little question mark, and you have the option to remove the classwork page. So now you see that classwork is removed. I just have stream and people. Now I can see on my landing page for me how many of the assignments have been assigned, how many students have turned it in. Students do not see these numbers. They would just see the titles of the assignment. But if you notice, the big change is over here. Now on the home page, the students have a list of their topics. This is really important because now a student can just click on the topic and it will take them to all of the assignments that have been placed under that topic. You still have the option to move assignments. You can click on the bottom one and you can hit move to top if you want that one to be the first one that shows. I will tell you that if you teach younger students or if you teach a class where you assign a lot of material in Google Classroom, I like the topics on the home page. I think that is a better option. That's just my personal opinion because it's very easy to kind of get the students used to when as soon as they get to their home page, whatever lesson they're working on, they can just click on that topic and just get there. It just saves them a couple of clicks. If you are a math or reading teacher for elementary and you have guided math and guided reading or balanced literacy, your topics could be the different stations. And then whichever station your student is for that day, they would click on that topic and it would take them to those assignments. If you maybe teach in a secondary classroom and you have lots of, material and notes and stuff that you are giving your students, your topics again could be each week, and whichever week that they are in, they would click on it and then they could go to those assignments. So you can always switch back. So now I've added my classwork page. My topics are here. I'm clicking here to add my assignments. Again, I have no topics on my home page. And then if I take away the classwork page, I have my topics on the home page. You now have a circle with a plus button in the bottom right hand corner, and this is where you go to add your assignments. So you would definitely want to decide which one with classwork or without classwork page is the one that you want to set up your class, because I do not recommend switching after your class has started. You want to make sure that everything's kind of in order for your students. So again, these are the two ways that you can set up your classroom, your Google Classroom, either with the classwork page or without.